Zipforce. Zipforce is a smart e-bike kit that uses a Swedish-developed electric motor to convert almost any bike into an e-bike. The removable electric motor is ideal for times you need a little assistance on the road and makes it easier for commuters as well as people who enjoy going on bike journeys. Zipforce's new slim and distance variants are both somewhat quieter and simpler to install than the Zipforce One. Furthermore, slim is lighter, whereas distance has a larger battery capacity that can last longer on a charge. When you step on the pedals, the motor is activated by the wireless pedal sensors. The electric motor's drive wheel rests against the tire and helps propel the bike forward as long as you keep pedaling. Arclight. The Arclight pedals are the ultimate bike safety upgrade. The Arclight pedals amplify your biological motion, making you up to 57% more visible than standard bike lights. And you're not just more visible, you're recognizable as a cyclist. Powerful LEDs and long-lasting rechargeable batteries ensure you will stand out and stay safe, even on your longest ride. Choose Arclight Pro Flats for ultimate traction on and off-road, Arclight City for shin-friendly all-weather grip, and the Arclight Pro Clipless for SPD compatibility. Fend Super. Fend's engineering team produced the Super, a folding cyclist helmet featuring waterproof lighting, ventilation, and long-lasting protection. Traditional helmets are heavy and difficult to transport, which may discourage people from using head protection. Fend built its helmet to address this issue. The Super includes a proprietary locking system that allows owners to fold in and lock the helmet's sides to reduce its size by 50%. When the helmet is folded, it can be easily stored in a small bag or backpack, allowing people to take it with them wherever they go. A heavy helmet will no longer be an excuse for not wearing head protection. A helmet works great to protect people from head injuries, but an even better form of protection is not getting in an accident in the first place. The Super is equipped with front and rear lights that can be seen from up to 800 meters away, ensuring that motorists can see riders at night and avoid dangerous collisions. Yelock. Whether you're going on a long vacation or just down the street, you might be concerned about your bicycle or motorcycle being stolen while parked. While parking outside, a disc brake lock system can keep your bicycle or motorcycle safe and make it difficult for thieves to steal it. Yeelock is an anti-theft disc brake lock with fingerprints plus key dual unlock methods that offer ultra portability, IPX7 waterproof attributes, and great durability. Being lightweight, flexible, and easy to use, it is the ideal lock for urban and recreational cyclists alike. Hogar 2P. The Moroda Hogar 2P has everything you need in a tent. It's ultralight, it packs small, and has great features. The trail weight is only 1.6 kg, and it packs so small it fits on your road bike handlebar. Set it up with your bike, your trekking poles, or the included camping poles. The setup is super easy. Place the inner tent and position your bike, trekking poles or camping poles, add the connector and click it to the inner tent, enjoy warm summer nights or add the fly sheet if you expect rain. Speednite. If you're looking for a bicycle handlebar stem with a built-in lights and computer, your options were limited until today. Kim Look, a Hong Kong-based innovator, has expanded on the notion. His water-resistant Speednite stem not only includes a computer and an 800-lumen floodlight, but it also tilts up and down with your head. And tilting your head to either side activates laser-projected turn indications. The main concept behind the Speednite is that if you're staring at the road directly ahead of you, your head will be tilted down, thus your lights should be as well. If you want to view what's further up the road, tilt your head up. Similarly, if you're about to angle left or right, your head will turn in that direction first. A motion sensor mounted on the top of the helmet that wirelessly interacts with the stem enables the headlight tilting and turn indication action. There's also a wireless handlebar mounted remote that can be used to operate those features manually, so you're not trapped with the turn indicators flashing every time you turn your head. ShockStop. Ride further, faster and more comfortably. The ShockStop Bike handlebar suspension stem is the perfect upgrade for your e-bike, gravel bike, hybrid or road bike. Float over obstacles and dampen vibrations so you can ride longer, go faster, and stay in control even on the roughest terrain. Its shock-absorbing bike stem for road, gravel, hybrid, and e-bikes is 15% lighter in the new Pro version. It has lightweight titanium hardware, a high-quality polished finish, and extra precision CNC machining to save weight. Say goodbye to achy hands, wrists, back and neck, and hello to improved control, confidence, and a wonderfully smooth ride. The ShockStop shock absorber bike stem lowers the effects of collisions and vibrations by up to 70% with 20mm of damped suspension travel, just the appropriate amount of vertical compliance without compromising stability or steering. TrunkMonkey. TrunkMonkey is designed for all riders, whether you're a daily commuter who wants the freedom of always having their rack with them, or someone who occasionally needs a bike rack but is tight on storage space. TrunkMonkey is the only portable bike carrier. It also has additional benefits over other bike carrier designs, compatible with any vehicle with a rear trunk or hatch, and can secure any bike frame. Adjustable nylon straps and the TrunkMonkey's cradle design secures your bike without risking cosmetic or structural damage to your frame. Ultrasonically welded 100% polyvinyl inflatable core creates a sturdy bike mount when inflated. The ruggedly designed carrying case stows the TrunkMonkey and allows a secure and convenient storage while attached to your seat post or in the trunk of a vehicle. Cyclemate. This outstanding bike cushion seat cover is made of a revolutionary TPU and Lycra elastane. Moisture absorption, fast dry, comfortable and breathable, it's a very soft and stretchy material blend. The air cushion with moderate flexibility can effectively alleviate friction to ensure a comfortable long riding. Cyclemate adopts the method of multiple air convection, which means the air circulates when the airbag is squeezed, creating an anti-gravity effect of even compression, cushioning about 40% of the body's vertical pressure in order to greatly reduce the hip load and pressure.